Today we're exploring two gyms in the North Cascades, a hike with mountain views and a kayak paddle across one of the most surreal lakes in Washington. Our day begins on the Thunder Knob Trail. It's an easy to moderate 3.5 mile round trip hike with about 635 feet of elevation gain. It's short, sweet, and packed with beautiful views.
They have a one at a time on the bridge warning here. That's a first. It's a very bouncy bridge. I can see why they only want one at a time on it. Oh yeah, that's crazy.
The first part of the hike winds through classic North Cascades forest. Lots of pine, fern, and shade. I love the smell in this park. It's amazing.
It's been a nice steady climb up with lots of switchbacks. We do have a little bit of sound of a road nearby on some of that, but let me show you. Our first viewpoint does not disappoint.
The top opens up to this. Panoramic views of Diablo Lake and those unbelievable turquoise waters and jagged peaks rising in the distance. After the hike, we headed straight to the water. We packed our inflatable tandem kayak and launched right from the Colonial Creek Campground shoreline. Diablo Lake gets its electric turquoise color from the glacial flower, fine rock particles suspended in the water.
We have done a few hikes already this morning, and now we are in our kayak on Diablo Lake, and I just have to say, it is magical. I don't even know how to describe the color of this water and being surrounded by these mountains. Wow, just wow. What do you think, sweetie?
This is pretty sweet.
Oh my gosh.
As you paddle, every angle feels like a new painting. I'm not kidding, just look at these photos. There's something about being out here that makes you feel small in the best possible way. These mountains have stood for millennia, and for a few hours, we got to be a part of their story. From forested trails to glacial lakes, the Thunder Knob and Diablo Lake combo is the perfect North Cascades day trip. Easy enough to do in half a day and beautiful enough to remember forever.